today, so so first we need this. This is like, you can put this on your nails, so we're gonna do that. The first we're gonna put on our toes. Now we need to put it, okay, now we need to put on this. Do you see that? But it doesn't fit on so much, so I need to put more on the next one. Okay, now we have to do the next nail. Okay, I'm gonna pick for her because she doesn't talk. She's a baby, little baby. So I'm gonna do a manicure. So now after she does that, we're gonna do her hands. I know her. It's a little bit tricky, but I know it's right on her. Okay. Now we have to put some cream. Okay, let me got it on this. Okay, now we have to let it dry. So we're gonna let it dry for a little bit, and don't forget to do her nails. So I'm gonna turn it on. That's off. Good. Okay, now it's done. Now we're gonna do this. Okay, now it's done. Now we have to I have to put it in play now. I have to restart first. First I have to cut her nails first. I'm sorry about that. And it's a little mistake. Okay. And now we can put on this. Oh. Hey, come on. I'm sorry, I have a little bit. I have a little bit left. Okay. Make it more. Okay, and now I have a lot. I can do her whole bit. Now I'm gonna let it dry, but that's okay. We're not gonna use this because that doesn't work, but it's okay. We'll just let it dry. Okay, now it's dry. Now we can put some cream. I'm not gonna do my hands because I don't want to. Okay, now after that's done, we're gonna put it on her hands. Okay, now I'm gonna wash it off. This is the box, so I'm gonna do all of it. We lost the paper towel, so that can fit. So I'm gonna show all the stuff that can fit. See those girls? They're playing with all of these stuff. And this is the side of the manicure. This is the next side of the next one.
Are you all done?
No. Oh. Now we have to paint her nose. That's my favorite part. So I'm gonna do a manicure. Okay, so she picked purple, so I'm gonna paint it. Then have to let it dry again. But we're gonna use that because when I use this, I have to blow on it because if I use that for me to use this, it'll run out. So paint her nails. It's okay, babe, paint on her. Okay. Bye-bye. Thank you, Sharon. Thank you for saying hi to your